Right, standard 19mm socket will not go over this Ford wheel nut. It's not you, it's not the socket, it's the chrome nut that's swollen. For this you need a 19.5mm socket, or if the covers come off, an 18.5mm socket. So let's get into it. This 2018 Ford Cougar has the same two-piece Ford wheel nuts you'll see on lots of Fiestas, Focuses and many more Fords, some Land Rovers as well. We're going to get this wheel off without rounding the nuts and we'll show you which socket to use. So here, this is the standard 19mm socket and you can see the wheel nut will not fit. It's swelled so it won't go into the 19mm socket, but if you try it in the 19.5, it's a tight fit and it'll need pushing in, but you can get them on and off and get them out. The 19.5mm socket is your answer. So your 19mm, it's just not sitting on the flats and it won't go on. If you hammer that on, you'll end up rounding it and then causing yourself a whole load of grief. Whereas the Sealy 19.5mm goes on, sits on the flats, and you will be able to take all your nuts off without any issue and reuse them if you want to. The nuts will still sometimes stick even in the 19.5mm socket, but you can just wiggle them off and still get them off relatively easily compared to a 19mm socket where it would be stuck and you would be hammering it out in a vise. So your 19.5mm socket makes it so much easier to get your wheel nuts on and off your Ford vehicle. So on some of the nuts, the cover comes off altogether. And on these, you need a special 18.5mm socket, which fits perfectly. Now, you can't use the 19mm when the covers come off because you're likely to round it because it's really slack. And obviously, you certainly can't use your 19.5mm because that is really slack. So, overall, if you have some nuts where the covers have come off and some nuts that are all swelled, you'll need a combination of a 19.5mm and an 18.5mm, and that will allow you to get both the swelled and the cover missing nuts off your Ford. And then we have another solution for when you've done that. There is also available a twin-sided socket, 18.5mm one side, 19.5mm the other side. That has a little extension so you can turn it around, so you can use it either way. I prefer the normal sockets because when you're using the buzz gun, this loses a bit of torque and can sometimes not take really tight nuts off, whereas the other version can. If you're using a bar, this will work for you anyway. So once you've got your wheel nuts off, you'll need new ones. Now we have silver and black, we have solid versions, and one was the floating washers. Some alloys need the floating washer. You'll see it's inbuilt on the nut and it just spins around so that when you tighten it up, the washer seats in the wheel and the nut can still turn. Some of them have the other style, which is a solid nut and they just turn in and torque up as normal. We have black and silver in both styles. We keep them all in stock. We've got plenty in stock. We'll put a link in the description and I'll also put a discount code in there for you so that you can get them a little bit cheaper than the normal price on our website. Can't argue with that, can you guys? Again, the nuts that we supply don't have any covers on them, so you won't have this problem going forward. These will stay looking nice. You won't have the issue of them swelling up because there's no chrome over the steel. It is just a pure steel nut. These will not give you the same issues as what the OEM Ford nuts do. So the replacement wheel nuts we stock sit straight in your normal 19mm. They will always do that as well. So like I say, they won't swell, you won't have these issues. So once these have gone on, we'll top them all up to 135 Newton meters, and then this job is done. If the customer gets a puncture at the side of the road, they can get their own wheels off with a standard 90mm socket that they'll have in the vehicle. And hopefully this one's helped you out a little bit. So I want to know how you get the special sockets and reuse the Ford nuts. and keep the swelled ones on the vehicle, or how you replace them with a brand new set that fit back in your 19mm socket. Let us know in the comments, make sure you like the video, and we'll see you on the next one.